seen one to pull up, so I took a shot at it. I think I hit whatever it was and threw it right to I think it was a turtle. A big ass turtle. I think it was a big ass turtle. So and them hands like I want to end it like they was last time. So trying to take it slow. Hell yeah. And I seen a deer this morning. Coming to the railroad track around the phone screen, railroad track crossing the Dumpers Street Valley. I love baby there. Timing is everything. I always remember that. Hell yeah. Blow over. I burned up a lot of money yesterday. I took that shot in the water, so I don't know what the hell. It had to be something pretty big, though. I don't know, but at least about what, $22 in that shot. They don't do it. On the man. Feel about with the man. I don't know. Yeah, we do that though. Yeah, we complain about things like that. Hell yeah, had to be something pretty big. Yeah, I swear. I'm cool. Big. Like, yeah. It was a damn. Take me I can't. I'm about 15 views about paying CPI for it. Let's see how many I got after that. Let me see. That's 15. Let me see from that one. 15 from. Let me see how many from. 1,544 in about another year. And like 6 months. About 6 months. 15 point. About 8 months. 8 months. I should have that one. But hell yeah, I feel pretty bad. Let that one go this morning. I wasn't in place with that one. I don't know how that happened. Time and everything, no boy. Probably gonna try to wane it out until probably about Saturday night, maybe. I don't know. I'm taking one day at a time. Anyway, what I have on me today. Let me see. Let's keep it. Not keep it. Okay, this is what I have on today. This, of course. Okay, this is what I have on this. Kind of played like the reserve. So he kind of trying to, yeah, but I said I was gonna circle back around to the house and this stuff on. 23. Of course, let's go. This is I might like to say I do. I might do. I'll say yeah, probably do. Okay, we do. Zippo. Zippo, you wear out my Zippo. Unzippo. Oh, I got this. This actually came in the mail today. The mail lady brought it. Mail lady brought it today. This one that came in the mail. Actually got it. Got a cereal. Serious things. 440. 440. Came in the mail. That's just pretty sharp too. This guy works from New York, so New York. Now, I think Antoine maybe be working today. Missed one, lost one. Of course, these here. I played a little snow. No. Okay. Gotta keep them loose. Of course. I'll keep these on my hip though. You never know. Show you the brand new tech. Of course. This flashlight right here, security. This flashlight is heavy HD. That's a HD flashlight. HD keeps the light easy to on. Heavy. See, it zooms out like this. See, it zooms in like that. HD security. That's supposed to be like one of those military. You seen the one on advertised on YouTube. The military flashlight that burn stuff. And it's a torch. Flashlight. Keep this on my head like that. I'm gonna start down. Supposedly, it's my mom had one here. I think it's probably about the top of the line. Yeah, a heavy duty flashlight that what you were working like a heavy duty job with the 95. And of course, it's probably military. Like a regular flashlight and a military freedom. Of course, this right here, but it's good now. I actually do be back in the would I be in? I don't know. I can't say. I can't say. I'm not going to be made to use for that. Okay. Check the shoes. Check the shoes out. Like, boom. Of course. Wait, my watch was supposed to be coming in tomorrow. Okay, like yeah, I'm saying, got my fanny pack on. There, fanny pack. Okay. Fanny pack got my hood and stuff in it, but okay. Okay, so this is the hood that I have. Like, no, it's priced, but not that. Not that bad. So I wore it one time. I was in the let me see here. I in that same shit. I wore it once. So boy, you get so scared. I see. There's a room. It was something like that. These are two. And they was in another one of them. I haven't been fired though. I think that was probably about it. I said did that. And the gloves, yeah. So, like we see, please subscribe. I'm coming on in about 12 minutes right now. Pretty much about the whole day. Let's see. So I'm rolling at about 12 minutes right now. I'm about to roll out. Like we see, please subscribe. Coming up. I don't know about what's going on about the rest of the day today, but I'll let you know. Pretty sure. Okay, I'll see you. Probably get into. I might have a review today, later on today. I don't know. Probably though about the Zoraki M914. That want to clear that one around before I gotta go check the scene over here. I'm gonna roll over here to the corner stop over here and see what's going on. See who's out today. Maybe. Not really though. Really not. They come with it today though. I'm old Mary here time. Bench one. Okay, like we see, please subscribe.